When Hollywood royalty graces the red carpet, it's more than just a movie premiere, it's an unforgettable fashion spectacle. And on Thursday night in London, Scarlett Johansson and Chris Hemsworth brought star power and style to the highly anticipated Transformers 1 premiere, leaving fans breathless. From Scarlett's sizzling strapless red dress to Chris's suave black ensemble, this star-studded event at Cineworld Leicester Square was packed with glamour, excitement, and a host of famous faces. Scarlett Johansson, known for her fierce roles in Marvel films, made a dazzling appearance at the Transformers 1 premiere, turning heads in a striking strapless red maxi dress. The 39-year-old actress exuded confidence and sophistication as she posed alongside her co-star, the Australian heartthrob Chris Hemsworth, who looked equally sharp in an all-black tailored suit. As fans eagerly awaited the film's release, the red carpet sizzled with A-list energy, fashion statements, and the palpable excitement of the film's cast and crew. Scarlett's stunning outfit for the evening, a ruched red evening gown, was nothing short of sensational. The dress hugged her figure in all the right places, showcasing her impeccable sense of style and poise. She elevated her look with a silver choker necklace and delicate hoop earrings, adding a touch of sparkle to the ensemble. Her blonde tresses were styled down and sleek, while her bold makeup, complete with a smoky eye and vibrant lip, perfectly complemented the fiery red of her gown. Adding a few inches to her height, Scarlett finished the look with a pair of black strappy heels, commanding attention as she made her way down the red carpet. At her side, Chris Hemsworth looked effortlessly handsome in an all-black suit that combined classic tailoring with modern accessories. The Thor star, 41, paired his suit with a subtle silver chain and ring, giving his look a contemporary edge. Together, the dynamic duo radiated Hollywood glamour, embodying their on-screen chemistry as the voices of Orion Pax, Optimus Prime, and Alita 1, respectively. In Transformers 1, Chris lends his voice to the iconic character Orion Pax, who eventually evolves into Optimus Prime, the fearless leader of the Autobots. Meanwhile, Scarlett takes on the role of Alita 1, a strong and devoted Autobot warrior. The anticipation for the film is at an all-time high, with fans eager to see these two stars step into their animated roles and bring beloved characters to life once more. Joining the leading duo on the red carpet was Brian Tyree Henry, who voices the villainous Megatron in the film. Brian's bold fashion choices mirrored the audacious nature of his character. He sported a stylish leather jacket that paid tribute to Megatron, with the words "Such Heroic Nonsense, Megatron 196" emblazoned on the back. Paired with a white shirt, a pleated skirt with a cream stripe, and chunky loafers, Brian's daring outfit was a true statement. Keegan-Michael Key, who lends his voice to Bumblebee, added a touch of lighthearted fun to the event. The actor-comedian looked dapper in a gray suit paired with a funky patterned tie, his charismatic energy shining through as he shared a laugh with Scarlett on the red carpet. The London premiere wasn't just about the movie's cast, it was a magnet for other stars from across the entertainment industry. Kate Garraway, fresh from her National Television Awards win, looked elegant in black and white pinstripe trousers and a crisp white blazer, exuding chic sophistication. Meanwhile, reality TV stars made their mark, with Love Island's Jessie Potts turning heads in her first solo appearance since her split from Joey Essex. Just 24 hours after announcing their breakup, Jessie put her heartbreak behind her, dazzling in a diamante-encrusted nude evening gown with a plunging neckline. Her long blonde curls and glowing makeup added to the ethereal look. She was joined by fellow Love Island stars Will Anderson and Uma Jama, with Uma looking radiant in an asymmetrical orange dress. Adding to the glamour was singer Talia Storm, who turned up the heat in a racy black dress with a daring cutout design that showcased her midriff inside. Former Love Islander Katie McDermott followed suit, making waves in an asymmetrical cutout black evening gown. Olivia Hawkins, another alum of the reality show, glimmered in a strapless metallic silver dress with a thigh-high slit, pairing it with shimmering heels and dramatic eye makeup. On the fashion-forward front, presenter Kemi Rogers wowed the crowd in a leopard print gown teamed with platform boots, while below-deck star Daisy Kelleher flaunted her toned legs in a red plunging mini dress. The Transformers 1 premiere was an electrifying event, filled with jaw-dropping fashion, Hollywood star power, and excitement for the animated epic set to hit the big screen. Scarlett Johansson and Chris Hemsworth were the epitome of style and charm as they reunited on the red carpet, showcasing their undeniable chemistry and hinting at the action-packed adventure to come. As the evening unfolded, it was clear that the night was not only a celebration of their film but a dazzling display of talent and glamour. Fans eagerly await the moment when these beloved characters, voiced by Hollywood's finest, will take them on a thrilling journey in the Transformers universe once again.